Pumasok tayo sa may galleria, guys. Daming tao, guys. Ayoko na, uwi na ako. Ang ganda dito, oh. Isang box na lang na 12. Ayan. Dadali natin to sa Germany, guys. Ano lang to, guys? Hindi na to 1 year supply. 6 months supply na lang to. Good morning, Milan. Guys, ito yung explain ko sa akin kung bakit mahirap hanapin yung aming hotel. M20 Boutique Hotel. Kasi nasa gallery siya. This is the gallery. Yan. So today it's Sunday and it's closed, guys. So walang masyadong tao. And then, yan. Yan lang yung address via Mazzini 20. And then mahanap mo siya. Ito. So hindi mo siya makikita kung hindi mo tatawagan yung taga-receptionist kasi sa labas nito, sa entrance nito is wala siyang shield, wala siyang logo or something. Wala ga. Look at that, 'di ba sa ibabaw wala talaga. And then in the back wala, andito din in my side. Wala siyang logo na name ng hotel kaya pagdating mahirap talaga siya, guys. So anyways, first thing to do is breakfast dahil wala silang breakfast. Hindi sila nag-offer ng breakfast dahil wala silang restaurant, wala silang cafe, walang anything, just the room. Jollibee is on this way. So punta kami Jollibee kung meron bang breakfast sila doon. And I'm craving naman corned beef with rice. Sana meron, no? Pinas talaga. Kung wala siguro ano lang, guys, bacon. Pancake. Normally may pancake, di ba? And then after, maglalakad-lakad lang kami, guys, because it's nga Sunday na nga. Sunday pa dito and it's already 10 AM na siguro, guys, or yeah, mga 10 AM na dito. And look, nandito yung signage ng ayan yung signage ng Jollibee, guys. Jollibee. Di ba? Ang cute. Medyo madami ng tao sa my dome, guys. Pero the shops are closed. 10:30 na, but it's still closed. Guys, we change our mind. Hindi na lang kami sa Jollibee magpe-breakfast. We will look somewhere na lang. Guys, ang aga pa, pero ang dami ng tao sa my dome at sa may galleria. Dito kasi kami magbe-breakfast kasi mas maganda yung view, di ba? But I think it's again full. Look, it's full again. Where can we eat?
Also, when you want to go inside the dome, there's a shoe.
What? Oh my God, ang daming tao. Look at, guys, it's 10:30 AM. Ang dami pa dito. We have to buy tickets or the what?
I don't know.
We'll just have first breakfast. Ang dami ng tao, oh my God. Ito yung dome. Guys, feeling ko hindi ako magpapipicture dito. Yan na lang, mga ganyan lang, mga view, ganyan. Ganyan lang tayo, guys, ha. Kasi ayaw ko magpapicture dito, ang daming tao. Tapos si partner hindi marunong magpicture, yan. Mapuputol yung ulo ko or mga paa ko or something. Maghahanap lang kami pang breakfast, guys. Pumasok tayo sa may galleria, guys, and maghahanap ng makakain dito, but I think it's very expensive here. Daming tao, guys. Ayoko na, uwi na ako. I don't like here anymore. I don't like here. No. Ang dami tao. Ang ganda dito, oh. Guys, nalulula na ako sa mga ano dito. Nagugutom ako, gusto kong kumain. Yung mga restaurants dito is puno. Okay, we'll go out there. Lalabas na kami dito guys, ang daming tao. Ayoko na dito. Wala din naman tayong mabibili dito guys. So, labas na lang. Well, at least, diba, I've been here and then the experience. Charot, no? May labasan guys, so labas tayo. Dito walang tao. Pero ayoko dito din. Pizza yan eh. Well, sabi naman nila everyday naman dito daw madaming tao, diba guys? And then especially Sunday. Ay, oh my God, it's full. And then continue natin yung paghanap ng ating pang brunch. It's 11 a.m. na. Ang taas ng linya ng papasok sa church, guys. Diyan, ang taas. Grabe. Guys, after 48 years, nakahanap kami ng makakainan. Malapit lang kami sa sa dome, mga few walks lang, few steps. So, naka-order na kami, 1 p.m. na dito at magba-brunch pa kami. So, first meal of the day. And after this we will try to visit the church inside.
Perfect, yeah.
Yes, yun ang ganap guys. Kasi hindi pa tayo nakapagpasok doon. So, I hope we will find a way. So, nag-order na ako ng pancake with some side dish. And then si partner is sandwich, chicken sandwich. Yes, he ordered chicken sandwich. And then coffee. So, we'll see later. Dito na aming order guys. This is vanilla.
Kannst du mal auf den Löffel was packen? Ja, nimm den. Ja. Nicht süß?
Nein, it's soy sauce.
Böse.
Guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit.
Guys, ang taas ng linya. Nandun pa oh. So, kasi papasok na kami dyan sa loob ng dome. So, let's hope na hindi pa malobat yung camera ko. Malapit na malobat yung camera ko guys. So, let's see. We are inside guys. Oh my God. So high. Ayun guys, ang loob ng dome, napakaganda. As in, it's very, very new to me and to everybody, I think. Ayun guys, and then hindi lang tayo magtatagal dito kasi wala kami masyadong ginagawa dito kasi dito lang talaga kami sa around ng dome na to guys, hindi kami nagtutour. And then, I think papunta na po kami sa hotel kasi magpapahinga lang kami ng konti and then lalabas na naman for dinner tonight. It's hapon na dito guys, 5 p.m. Maghahanap na kami ng restaurant to have dinner. And then this will be our ano na din kasi bukas uwi na tayo to Frankfurt. Ha? Totoo pa sa partner guys. So ayun, naghahanap kami. Hopefully hindi kami matagalan maghanap kasi normally we always have matatagalan talaga kami guys pag naghanap ng pagkain. Meron na kaming nahanap guys na makakainan and we are both hungry. You want seafoods or no? I want pasta because we are in Italy.
Pasta? I will pasta.
Spaghetti.
Das ist ja. Das ist Pizza, aber Spaghetti ist auch gut.
Uy, maganda to with clams. Spaghetti with fresh mixed seafoods.
Ah,
What you want?
ich habe noch nichts gefunden, was ich
Meron sila ditong guys. Meron silang ganyan Hindi natin alam ano to. So, pros pa pala.
Ja, genau, was da ist.
Stick breads. Ang daming tinapay Thank you.
Ja,
Buon
merci.
appetit.
Grazie.
Scusa, ma io con la tua ho giocato io.
Dito namin pagkain guys. So, cheers. Kain po tayo. Next.
Io mi ricordo che tavolo da pure io.
I'll get your shrimps. Kinuha ko agad sa kanya. No? Try.
Nein. Ja. Lecker.
So hot. Ang init. You want mussels? With shrimps? Sarap. Yung kay partner guys, may shrimp. Binigay niya sa akin kasi ayaw niya. Kinuha ko yung bay leaf. Ay, basil niya kasi ayaw niya ng basil.
Oh,
Yan. Tomorrow morning, maaga kaming magda-drive to Germany. Back to Frankfurt tayo on Monday. Dadating siguro kami doon mga gabi na. Yeah, kasi kailangan namin mag-start ng very early as we can. Around 7 a.m. maybe. Ang sarap ng dinner pala namin. Did you enjoy the dinner?
oh, very much.
Yeah.
Very delicious.
It was Italian.
Yes, was typical for Italy.
Italian, yes. Ang sarap guys. Nagpasta kami with seafoods. And also kay partner, pero yung seafoods niya, binigay niya sa akin yung shrimps kasi ayaw niya kumain. Ang sa kanya pala is tagliaya.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, nakalimut. Yeah, with pesto, sa kanya with pesto. Sa akin naman is spaghetti, yung red sauce with seafoods. Kaya masarap. Since maaga kami bukas, kita nyo yan. Since maaga kami bukas guys, aalis as early as we can. Nag-take out kami ng Jollibee. Hi, I'm there. Yes, ito talaga ang plano namin kaya kami pumunta ng Milan. It's because of the Jollibee. Jollibee? Bantay ka lang. Charot. Yes, so, and I was planning talaga na bumili ng madami talaga kasi it will, for the 1 year supply, again, I realized na hindi na lang siguro madami kasi ako lang din magsasuffer kakain kasi si partner ayaw niya. Kaya, I bought na lang, hindi masyado madami guys. Hindi masyado madami pero look at the bag. It's so big. Uy, this is first time guys. Jollibee haul in Milan. Charot. Yes, magja-Jollibee haul tayo. 1, 2, 3, and this is Spice to Go box. Yes, meron tayong 3 box kasi baka maano tayo. Ano to? Peach. Yes, meron tayong peach mango pie. So, ang binili natin is 3 boxes. Ano nga pala to guys? Choco Sundae. Choco Sundae. Ano to siya? Kakainin ko to mamaya. Dessert. Kasi hindi kami nag-dessert doon sa restaurant. Ang plan nga talaga namin is 12 bucket. 3 buckets talaga yung plan namin. Then, ang each laman is 8 ata yung plano. Pero, isang box na lang na 12. Ayan. Dadali natin to sa Germany, guys. They gave us gravy. 2 ganito, guys. Ang cute naman ng boxes nila, no? Ang cute ng boxes nila, guys. Chan, chan, chan. Chan, chan, chan. Ayan. Ang lalaki. Hindi to namin kakainin kasi busog na ako. Diba? Ang dami nating ano. Ano lang to, guys? Hindi na to 1 year supply. 6 months supply na lang to. So, ayun guys. Meron na tayong Jollibee from Milan. Kakain na muna tayo ng Choco Sundae. Try natin kung same ba sa Pinas din. Ang sarap ng chocolate nila. Sarap ng chocolate, guys. Ang lagayan is ng ano, yung sa, she put it in the, ito pala. Akala ko madami. I thought it's so na-prank tayo doon Ayun po yung Milan namin. Yung Milan namin. Tapusin ko lang to. At i-check pa namin tong chicken kung saan namin yan ilalagay kasi para hindi mag-spread yung baho dito the whole night. But we don't have plastic, but we will find a way. Thank you for watching, guys. Until in my next vlog, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you po. Ingat.